Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by saving work and closing non-essential apps. This prevents data loss. Open Task Manager to identify high CPU, disk, or memory use because that tells you what to target next. Once done, confirm a system restore point or a quick backup. Make sure you can roll back if needed. Run a quick malware scan while you prepare. It only takes minutes and often explains unexplained hangs. Now proceed to targeted fixes based on the process causing the slowdown. You should run SFC and DISM to repair corrupted system files because those commonly cause freezes. Type SFC/scano, then DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Next, inspect Device Manager and update or roll back drivers for display, chipset, and storage. Drivers often trigger hangs after updates. Make sure to check Windows Update history. Once you identify a problematic update, uninstall it and pause updates briefly. Also, test in Clean Boot to isolate You finish by attempting a Windows reset while keeping files. This preserves data but refreshes system files and settings. If reset fails, proceed to a clean install. Make sure you have installation media and backups. Once complete, check Event Viewer for critical errors so you know what changed and can prevent recurrence. If the hanging continues, boot into safe mode, reproduce the hang, and save logs to provide to support. This speeds up expert diagnosis and avoids repeated trial and error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.